Hey guys, Meira here. Today I'm going to quickly walk you through Helium 10's plans, pricing, and most importantly, the best coupon codes available. And if you're looking for a tool to help you find the best-selling products on Amazon that bring in solid profits, you're in the right place. Now, if you're just here for the coupon codes, you'll find all the best deals linked in the description below. And to save even more, you can use the code OPTIMIZE10 at checkout for 10% off of all their plans forever. Plus, by using our links, you'll get exclusive deals that aren't available anywhere else. Alright, before we get into the details, let's quickly talk about what Helium 10 actually is. It's one of the most popular tools out there for Amazon sellers looking to optimize their product listings and find profitable products. It's mainly known as a product research tool with a database of over 450 million products, making it very helpful if you're trying to figure out what's selling well and where there's real demand. But it's not just about finding new products. Helium 10 also helps improve the visibility of the products you're already selling, which can make a big difference in conversion rates and overall profits. One of the standout tools inside Helium 10 is Magnet, which is their keyword research tool. It actually has Amazon's largest database of search terms and long-tail keywords, which is huge if you want to refine your product listings and target the right audience. You can also filter and organize keywords to make your research more specific, which is a huge help when it comes to competing with other sellers. That said, let's talk about Helium 10's pricing. There are 3 main plans to choose from, depending on how far you want to go with your product research and optimization. The starter plan is the most basic option, giving you access to some tools like Review Insights, but with limited access to more advanced ones like Cerebro, which helps track keywords using reverse ASIN search. Now, the monthly price for the basic plan is about $50, but if you get the annual plan, the price will drop to about $40 per month. And if you want more powerful tools like Magnet for keyword research, the Platinum plan is a solid choice at about $100 a month or $80 a month with an annual plan. But if you want full access to everything that Helium 10 has to offer, including AI-powered listing optimization and keyword sales tracking, then the Diamond plan is the way to go. It's also their most popular plan and the one that I personally use, and it's priced at $280 a month or $230 a month if you pay annually. So from my own experience using Helium 10 for multiple businesses, the Diamond plan is worth it if you're serious about scaling your business, because the advanced tools can really help increase conversion rates and cut marketing costs, which can have a big impact on your overall success. And so that's it for today's video. Just to reiterate one more time, if you want to take advantage of the best deals out there, you can go down to the description below where you'll find links to all these discounts and deals, as well as an in-depth review of Helium 10. And as always, feel free to drop any questions in the comment section, and I'll do my best to reply as soon as I can. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.